क्या तुमने वोट दिया? डिड यू वोट? डिड यू वोट? तुमने किसे वोट दिया? हु डिड यू वोट फॉर? हु डिड यू वोट फॉर? हर जगह चुनाव का माहौल है। इलेक्शन फीवर इज एवरीवेयर। इलेक्शन फीवर इज एवरीवेयर। इस बार मुकाबला कड़ा है। The competition is tough this time. The competition is tough this time. नतीजों की कोई खबर? Any news about the results? Any news about the results? नतीजे जल्द ही आएंगे. The results will be out soon. The results will be out soon. देखते हैं कौन जीतता है. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. क्या आपने उम्मीदवार का भाषण देखा? Did you see the candidate's speech? Did you see the candidate's speech? वोट देना मत भूलना. Don't forget to vote. Don't forget to vote. पोलिंग बूथ पर भीड़ है. The polls are crowded. The polls are crowded. नतीजे सब कुछ बदल सकते हैं. The results could change everything. The results could change everything. तुम्हें क्या लगता है कौन हारेगा? Who do you think will lose? Who do you think will lose? मैं नतीजों को लेकर उत्साहित हूँ. I am excited about the results. I am excited about the results. नतीजों के लिए लंबा इंतजार. Long wait for results. Long wait for results. आज मतदान का दिन है. It's voting day. It's voting day. क्या तुमने बहस देखी? Did you watch the debate? Did you watch the debate? अभी कौन आगे है? Who is leading right now? Who is leading right now? क्या आप आज वोट देने जा रहे हैं? Are you going to vote today? Are you going to vote today? क्या आपने तय किया है कि किसे वोट देंगे? Have you decided whom to vote for? Have you decided whom to vote for? मतदान हमारा अधिकार है, इसे न चूके. Voting is our right. Don't miss it. Voting is our right. Don't miss it. आपको क्या लगता है इस बार कौन जीतेगा? Who do you think will win this time? Who do you think will win this time? मैं आशा करता हूँ कि सही व्यक्ति जीतेगा. I hope the right person wins. I hope the right person wins. मतदान केंद्र पर लाइनें काफी लंबी है. The lines are quite long at the polling station. The lines are quite long at the polling station. क्या आपने चेक किया है कि आपका मतदान केंद्र कहाँ है? Have you checked where your polling booth is? Have you checked where your polling booth is? चलो साथ में वोट देने चलते हैं. Let's go vote together. Let's go vote together. चुनाव में भाग लेना महत्वपूर्ण है. It's important to participate in the election. It's important to participate in the election. तुम्हारा वोट देने का अनुभव कैसा रहा? How was your voting experience? How was your voting experience? क्या तुम्हें लगता है ये निष्पक्ष चुनाव है? Do you think it's a fair election? Do you think it's a fair election? चुनाव का माहौल जोरदार है. The election vibe is strong. The election vibe is strong. मैंने सुना है एक नया उम्मीदवार है. I heard there is a new candidate. I heard there is a new candidate. क्या तुम चुनाव की खबरें देख रहे हो? Are you following the election news? Are you following the election news? मुकाबला सच में कड़ा है. The competition is really close. The competition is really close. हर जगह लोग चुनाव की बातें कर रहे हैं. People are talking about the elections everywhere. People are talking about the elections everywhere. आशा है कि सबसे अच्छा उम्मीदवार जीतेगा. Hope the best candidate wins. Hope the best candidate wins. नतीजे आने में बहुत देर हो रही है. Results are taking too long. Results are taking too long. क्या तुमने कल रात की खबर देखी? Did you watch the news last night? Did you watch the news last night? कई लोग अभी तक तय नहीं कर पाए कि किसे वोट दे. Many are undecided about whom to vote for. Many are undecided about whom to vote for. इस साल फैसला करना मुश्किल है. It's a tough choice this year. It's a tough choice this year. मीडिया में अब बस चुनाव ही चल रहा है. The media is all about elections now. The media is all about elections now. तुम किसे समर्थन दे रहे हो? Who are you supporting? Who are you supporting? चुनाव के साथ तनाव भी बढ़ गया है. The tension is high with elections. The tension is high with elections. Voting trends की कोई खबर? Any updates on the voting trends? Any updates on the voting trends? इस बार सबसे लोकप्रिय उम्मीदवार कौन है? Who is the popular choice this time? Who is the popular choice this time? क्या तुमने कोई चुनाव रैली देखी? Have you seen any campaign rallies? Have you seen any campaign rallies? उम्मीदवार बहुत वादे कर रहे हैं. The candidates are promising a lot. The candidates are promising a lot. क्या तुम इन वादों पर भरोसा करते हो? Do you trust these promises? Do you trust these promises? हर कोई एक ही बात कर रहा है. चुनाव. Everyone is talking about the same thing. Elections. Everyone is talking about the same thing. Elections. मैंने सुना है कि वोटिंग लाइनें बहुत लंबी है. I heard the voting lines are really long. I heard the voting lines are really long. बदलाव का समय आ गया है. It's time for a change. It's time for a change. क्या तुम्हें लगता है इस साल ज्यादा लोग वोट देंगे? Do you think the turnout will be high this year? Do you think the turnout will be high this year? लोग इस बार ज्यादा शामिल लग रहे हैं. People seem more involved this time. People seem more involved this time. क्या तुमने अपना मन बना लिया है? Have you made up your mind? Have you made up your mind? लगता है ये कड़ा मुकाबला होगा. Looks like it's going to be a close fight. Looks like it's going to be a close fight. तुम्हें क्या लगता है किसे बहुमत मिलेगा? Who do you think will get the majority? Who do you think will get the majority? इंतजार करते हैं और देखते हैं. Let's wait and watch. Let's wait and watch. आज बड़ा दिन है. Today is a big day. Today is a big day. क्या तुमने चुनावी विज्ञापन देखे? Did you see the election ads? Did you see the election ads? वोटिंग प्रक्रिया जल्दी हो गई. The voting process was quick. The voting process was quick. मतदान केंद्र पर भीड़ बहुत थी. The crowd was huge at the polling station. The crowd was huge at the polling station. नतीजे कब घोषित होंगे? When will the results be announced? When will the results be announced? यहाँ क्या माहौल है? What's the buzz around here? What's the buzz around here? हर खबर में चुनाव ही चुनाव है. Elections are everywhere in the news. Elections are everywhere in the news. कहना मुश्किल है कि कौन जीतेगा. It's hard to say who will win. It's hard to say who will win. क्या तुमने ताजा अपडेट्स देखे? Did you check the latest updates? Did you check the latest updates? मैंने सुना है वोटिंग शांतिपूर्ण रही. I heard voting was peaceful. I heard voting was peaceful. मुख्य प्रतिद्वंदी कौन है? Who is the main competitor? Who is the main competitor? देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. Let's see what happens next. Let's see what happens next. विजेता को लेकर कोई अंदाजा? Any predictions for the winner? Any predictions for the winner? नतीजों का इंतजार बेचैन कर रहा है. The wait for the results is nerve-wracking. The wait for the results is nerve-wracking. क्या तुमने जल्दी जाकर वोट दिया? Did you go early to vote? Did you go early to vote? ये उम्मीदवार मजबूत लग रहा है. This candidate seems strong. This candidate seems strong. हर कोई अच्छे नतीजों की उम्मीद कर रहा है. Everyone is hoping for good results. Everyone is hoping for good results. ज्यादातर जगहों पर वोटिंग खत्म हो गई है. Voting is over in most areas. Voting is over in most areas. चलो अच्छे परिणाम की उम्मीद करते हैं. Let's hope for the best outcome. Let's hope for the best outcome. मैंने अभी अपना वोट डाला. I just cast my vote. I just cast my vote. वोट देकर अच्छा लगा. It felt good to vote. It felt good to vote. लाइन लंबी थी लेकिन सही लगा. The line was long but worth it. The line was long but worth it. यह मेरा पहली बार वोट देना है. This is my first time voting. This is my first time voting. वोट देना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है. Voting is our responsibility. Voting is our responsibility. मैंने भीड़ से बचने के लिए जल्दी वोट कर लिया. I made sure to vote early to avoid crowds. I made sure to vote early to avoid crowds. मुझे अपने फैसले पर खुशी है. I am happy with my choice. I am happy with my choice. मैं ऐसा नेता चाहता हूँ जो सच में हमारी परवाह करे. I want a leader who truly cares for us. I want a leader who truly cares for us. ये चुनाव महत्वपूर्ण लग रहा है. This election feels important. This election feels important. उम्मीदवार के वादे अच्छे लगते हैं. देखते हैं. The candidate's promises sound good. Let's see. The candidate's promises sound good. लेट्स सी। मुझे उम्मीद है नतीजों में कोई धांधली नहीं होगी। I hope there is no cheating in the results. I hope there is no cheating in the results. मैंने उसे वोट दिया जो मुझे लगता है कि बदलाव लाएगा। I voted for the one who I think will bring change. I voted for the one who I think will bring change. नतीजों का इंतजार रोमांचक और तनावपूर्ण है। Waiting for the results is exciting and stressful. Waiting for the result is exciting and stressful.